Yo, check this out. This is the 2028 Hyundai Sonata Extreme Widebody concept, and Hyundai definitely didn't play it safe with this one. We're talking slammed suspension, massive fender flares, a shortened body, carbon fiber aero, and a deep candy blue finish that looks straight out of a high-end racing game. Let's break this beast down. Front. Starting up front, the Sonata gets a completely transformed face. The blacked-out honeycomb grille gives it a seriously aggressive look, while those sharp LED headlights bring in clean white DRLs with a subtle purple accent. And down low, you've got that massive carbon fiber splitter sitting practically on the floor. The wide fenders make the whole front end look crazy wide and planted. Rear. Around back, things get even more serious. You've got connected-style LED taillights, a wide-body rear bumper, a carbon fiber diffuser, aggressive exhaust surrounds, and a chunky rear spoiler. The chopped rear proportions make the Sonata look shorter, wider, and way more muscular. This is definitely not your everyday commuter sedan. Side. From the side, this thing is absolutely slammed. The wheel gap is basically gone. The wheels are pushed way out into those huge fender flares, and the extended side skirts make the car look like it's hugging the ground. That deep blue metallic paint adds serious candy gloss vibes, while the carbon details give it that proper street racer attitude. Interior. Step inside, and the vibe completely changes. The cabin gets a premium blue and cream color combination, carbon fiber trim, sport pedals, a digital driver display, and a huge panoramic-style dashboard screen. The Hyundai steering wheel keeps the cockpit familiar, while the center console brings in a much more performance-focused feel. It's sporty, upscale, and still clean enough to feel like a real luxury sedan. Rear cabin. And the back seats aren't forgotten. You get a full 3-seat setup with cream leather, deep blue accents, premium stitching, rear climate controls, and plenty of upscale detailing. It's basically turning the Sonata into a luxury lounge while keeping that aggressive exterior attitude. So what do you think? Would you take this wide-body Sonata over a normal sports sedan? Drop your take in the comments, because honestly, this Sonata is one wild concept.